So let's assume you are very new to Cinema 4D and you want to quickly add surface imperfections to your model. And while that is a much deeper topic, I would like to go over a very quick, bare-bone way to just quickly slap some scratches, smudges, whatever on your model. So first thing you want to do is you, for example, create a new standard material. This one you can then apply on your model by dragging it onto the model, or you can also drag it over here. Now the material is applied to our model, as you can see. If I change the color, for example, the model's color also changes. And now you're wondering, how can I get scratches on this model, for example? One way to do it is to activate the bump channel. And basically what the bump channel does, it based on the texture or on a shader, it indents or protrudes your model. Or it creates the illusion of indentation or protrusion without actually changing the geometry, so it is very easy to calculate. And the next thing is we need a suitable texture. And luckily we can find that from within Cinema 4D in the asset browser. So you can just click on this symbol in the top left, or you just click Shift F8. And now if I wanted to add scratches, I can just search for scratches. And then we get a lot of very cool maps here that we can use to get scratches. So I'm just gonna pick any one of those, and I'm gonna just drag it into the texture field of the bump. And now it doesn't look like anything happened, but if I now press Alt plus R, we get our interactive render region. And if you look closely, we can see that we do in fact have scratches here. And that is a very quick and easy way to add surface imperfections. Of course, right now it protrudes because the strength is plus 20%, and a scratch usually indents the material. So let's just go negative, and you see we have the illusion of scratches. Yeah, that's it.